Hello guys, welcome back. We have an interesting question, which is this. So for x, which is an irrational equation with the roots, right? So now let's get started. For solution, first we have to write the question. We have a root of 2x plus 3, right? Which is equals to 1 plus the square root of 3x minus 5. So first of all, you have to eliminate the square root which is in the left side by introducing powers. Power 2, right? And we're going to say this 2 and the square root, it goes, so we remain with 2x plus 3, which is equals to, this one is a difference of 2 squares, so we're going to say 1 plus the square root of 3x minus 5, then close bracket, then open bracket, 1 plus the square root of 3x minus 5, right? Then close. Then here we are going to have 2x plus 3, which is equals to 1 times 1, which is 1. Then 1 times the square root of 3 minus 5, we are going to have plus square root of 3x minus 5. Then we are done with this first term. Then square root 3x minus 5 times 1, we are going to have plus the square root of 3x minus 5. Then plus here the square root of 3 minus 5 times square root of 3 minus 5. This one in third form, we all know that if you have a multiplied by a, the answer you're going to get it is a. So we only consider this thing which we have. The result we are going to have, it is 3x minus 5 when you multiply square root of 3x minus 5 and 3x minus 5. So here we are going to have 3x minus 5, right? Then 2x plus 3, which is equals to, if you can see here we have 1 and here minus 5. So 1 minus 5, we are going to have minus 4. Then square root of 3 minus 5 plus square root of 3 minus 5, we are going to have plus 2, the square root of 3x minus 5. Then plus, here we have remained with 3x, right? Then now we are going to take this term to the left side, in which when you subtract 3 here, you are going to have 2x minus 3x, then plus 3. Then when minus 4 crosses the equal sign, it will be positive 4, which is equals to, here we have remained with 2 root 3x minus 5, right? Then here 2x minus 3x, we are going to have minus x, then plus 3 plus 4, which is 7, which is equals to 2 root 3x minus 5, right? Then here we are going to start with a positive, which is 7 minus x equals 2, then square root of 3x minus 5, right? Then let's take it here. 7 minus x equals 2 root 3x minus 5. Then here we have to introduce squared also for us to eliminate this square root which we are having here, in which we are going to say here we are going to have first it will be 49. If you expand this one, 49, then minus 14x if you expand this one, then plus x squared, which is equals to here we are going to square every number which is in the bracket. You are going to square 2, which is 2 squared, then multiply by multiply by root 3x minus 5, right? I hope you're following. Minus 5. Then here we have 49 minus 14x plus x squared. It will be equals to 2 squared, it is 4. Then here we have a squared, this square and square root, it goes, we remain with 3x minus 5, right? Then here now we are going to have 49 minus 14x plus x squared, it will be equals to 4 times 3, which is 12x, then minus 4 times minus 5, which is minus 20 here. Then let's take this quadratic equation into a standard form. So we're going to say x squared minus 14x, then when minus 12 or when positive 12 across the equal sign, it will be minus 12x, then we have plus 49, this 49 here, which we are having 49 here, 49, then when minus 20 across the equal sign, it will be positive 20, right? Which is equals to 0. So here we have x squared minus 14 minus 12, we are going to have minus 26x. Then here 49 plus 20, we are going to have plus 69, which is equals to 0. Then here we are going to look for product and sum, in which product we are going to have the product, it will be minus 23 minus 3. If you multiply minus 23 minus 3, you are going to have 69. If you add minus this is a sum. If you add minus 23 minus 3, you are going to have minus 26. So let's substitute now with these product and sum which we have. So from equation which is x squared, then minus 26x plus 69, which is equals to 0. The product we have found that it is minus 23 and minus 3. So we have x squared minus 3x minus 23x plus 69, which is equals to 0. Then here we are going to factorize now, which is x, it is common here. Then we are going to remain x into x squared, we remain with x minus x into 3x, we are going to remain with 3. Then close bracket. Then here what is common? It is minus 23. Then 23 into minus 23x will remain with x. Then minus 23 into 69, we are going to remain with minus 3, which is equals to 0. And this term here and this one are equal. So we are going to take this one and this one here, which is x minus 23 and x minus 3, which is equals to 0. So let's equate every equation to be equals to 0. So x minus 23 equals 0, or x minus 3, it is equals to 0. So x, it will be equals to 23, or x when minus 3 across the equal sign to be positive 3. So these are our answers for this question here. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell so the next time you may see the new